Hey, what's up guys? Gigafist Magic here, and today I'm gonna show you guys a pretty cool card trick. Cool sleight of hand. I'm getting used to the word card trick. So now in this sleight of hand, I wanna show you guys. This sleight of hand could use as a card control or color change, and this is called the Herman pass. So now I'm gonna show you guys the version of the color change first, and then I want to show you guys the control card version. So now the fourth place right here, watch. Just with the snap. No, it changes already. And with the card control, 9 of spades, right? You see it?
Yes.
9 of spades, right? So now I'm going to put the entire deck in, and just need to do like this. Card jump right to the top. So now that's the performance, guys. Let's jump right into the tutorial. So guys, here's the exposed view. You guys going to take this deck, bring it up on top like this, and like this, and like this. So now you guys can see it. So now you guys gonna do like this. Okay, so now you guys can see that. So there's a few tips for you guys to do this. First of all, you guys are going to hold the. So now how you guys gonna do it? Hold your deck with the pinky, near pinky finger, and the middle finger. I think this is a ring finger, maybe. Pinky finger, ring finger, and the middle finger, and you guys just gonna do like this. Lift the deck up. So now, when you guys are doing it, you're just gonna lift the deck up a little bit like this. Lift it up, bring the deck down, and when the deck is like over the deck already, you guys just going to tilt the deck down like this. Now, let me do it again. Deck up, do the move down like this. Yeah, and you guys do it fast. I'm gonna do it like that. Now, a few tips for you guys. First, you guys going to do it slowly. Okay, do it slowly first. And the second tip is cover. Cover, you guys could do it like this. Move your hand down and up like this, down and up. But this is kind of risky because they might see you move. You guys got to practice this a lot just to make sure that the spectator didn't see it. And here is what I like to do. Now while I'm moving the deck like this, okay, you guys see it while I'm moving the deck like this, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to, while I'm moving, I'm going to do the move already. And when I'm reach here, I'm going to spin the deck around like this, just like this. Now let me show you guys again. From here, do the move it up here, and bring it and square it up, just like that. Now let me show you guys. So now, for example, they pick this card, the 10 of heart, right? So now I'm gonna show you them the 10 of heart like this. Pinky finger, and while you guys are moving up, just do it. And let me show you guys. Maybe the camera can't see it. 5 space, right? So now let me show you guys the move like this. Just like this, 5 space, go on top again. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm Gigafist Magic, and before I'm ending this video, I want to thank you, the Magic team, for sponsoring me on their channel back. Thank you guys so much. I'm Gigafist Magic, and peace out.